My lives in Hanoi, which is a big city in Vietnam. There are many schools, hospitals, shops, and beautiful places here, but there are not many drive-through. My favorite place is Hoàn Kiếm Lake. I often go there to Google, take photos, and relax with my friends. Hanoi is famous for its traditional food, ate by Sri Phở and Bún Chả. I enjoy living in the city because it is convenient and lively, but sometimes I also love the peaceful countryside.